Welcome students to my class on Principles of Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. Here, the students will learn about the different levels of management. Now, if I talk of different levels of management, it is divided into three types: administrative or top level, executive or middle level, and supervisory or the lower level of management. In many small business organizations, the owner is the only member of the management. But as the organization expands and increases, a more sophisticated organizational structure is required. It is a normal practice to categorize management into three basic levels, which are already displayed, like administrative or top level of management, executive or middle level of management, and supervisory or lower level of management. The duties and responsibilities at each of these levels vary from organization to organization, depending upon the size, technology, organizational culture, etc. prevailing in the organization. The number of managerial positions at each level varies from organization to organization, and in most of the organizations, there are more positions at the first level, that is, the top management, fewer in the middle level, and few at the ground level, or it can be from the other way around also. In some organizations, there can be many people working at the lower level, reasonably less people in the middle level, and very few people operating as top management. Many describe this as a kind of organizational structure, which is also called an organizational hierarchy or pyramid, as the managerial positions gradually decreases towards the higher level of management. In my upcoming presentation, I shall be providing you in details about the three levels of management, and you will be able to understand the functions of each level according to the top, middle, and lower level of management. Thank you very much.